Hey, what up? It's your boy Brezzy, aka Brian from Bree Developers, and I'm back today with another video. I haven't been posting because I've had like a rough week. I've been busy, but today I just want to share with you guys and show you a live demo on how to use one of BreeAi features, which is like the quiz generation. So stay tuned. Those that don't have like the iPhone operating system can use the website. You can just search for BreeAi-How, and then yeah, this is our page, and then you can log in or create an account if you don't have, and then you will get your free credits weekly. And then for the mobile application version that's available for iPhone operating system, you can search for BreeAi Hub here, and then this is like our app, and then you can just click here. As you can see, you can open or you can install, which works the same way as in like the website version, but then it's much better since it's like the quickest. Let me just click on take a new quiz, and then this is like the quiz page, and then you have an option to upload PDF or upload your images. Okay, let me just show you guys on how to upload your PDF. Okay, you click on upload PDF, and then let me just pick any. And then the PDF that I did upload, it got extracted into my text input, as you can see here, which is like one of the best features of BreeAi. Okay, let me just delete it because we're not going to use it today. I'm just going to use the images that I did upload from the handwritten notes and the pictures that I did get from like my little sister's textbook. So let me just delete here. Okay, let me just upload images. I have an option to take a picture or go to my photo gallery. Let me just go to my photo gallery because I have the pictures there, and these are the pictures. Let me just pick one, and this one. Let me just pick this one first and then this one. Okay, it's still processing. Let me just show you the images. Okay, these are the images that I took from my little sister's textbook. Okay, these are the images that we're gonna use to test ourselves if we know this information on the quiz page. So let us wait. Images got extracted into the text input, as you can see here. This is like the text from those images. Okay, let me just go to the quiz type. On the quiz type, you can be able to like choose the quiz that you like the most. For me, I'm gonna pick multiple choice because I feel like it tests me more. So yeah, and the number of questions I can be able to like add more or maybe make less questions. Okay, let me just use 5 because it's gonna generate faster. And then the difficulty level, I have a choice to choose between medium, easy, and hard. I'm just gonna pick the default, which is like the medium. Okay, let me just generate quiz. It's generating quiz, and boom, as you can see here, the quiz was generated into like 5 questions, which is like the number of questions that I picked. And then here I can be able to create a competition if I want to, like maybe if I want to compete with like my fellow classmates, or maybe I don't know, maybe somebody that you like to compete with. This is like your option. Okay, let me just cancel because I'm not gonna choose anyone. And then here are the questions. Let me just pick any. Oh, and I forgot, this is like your timer. Maybe if you like wanna time yourself, maybe if you wanna put your timer up to like 30 seconds, and then you can just use this feature right here. And let me just finish. And boom, I got like a score of 40%, which is not good, which is like 2 out of 5. Okay, and the most important part is this section, this green section, which shows you your question review. And the best part about this, it shows you where you went wrong, and it gives you an explanation of that answer. Okay, question 1 I got wrong, and the ones colored in green are like the original answers, the true answers, the correct answers. Okay, and then it gives me an explanation of that answer as well. So yeah, this is how to use the quiz generation, guys, the quiz generation feature. So I can be able to create a new quiz which I don't want to, and then I can go back to revision, and then in revision I can be able to like take the quiz again, or maybe delete it or share it with like my fellow classmates or somebody that I want to share it with. I can be able to view the answers as well, the correct answers, and yeah, that's it. And then here I can be able to share it with other users that use BreeAi, and I can be able to delete it also as well if I don't find it useful anymore. And if you did create that competition, you might be able to compete inside of the competitions page. And this one is the one that I did. Let me just show you the ones that I've done with other people. Okay, 2 out of 2 completed. It means that you and the other participant have completed. So it's gonna be able to show who scored more and who didn't, and then you can be able to see to view your answers as well. So this is how you use the BreeAi quiz feature.